Yo, my lovely gods and goddesses, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful beings, creatures of the universe, galaxies, far, far beyond. Far beyond. This is a very short video, vlog, whatever you want to call it. How to quickly make money. Quickly. Very fast, very easy. You don't even need a truck. You don't even need a vehicle. You do, but you don't. I've seen a lot worse around here. So I'm in Cleveland, Ohio, and I do a lot of scrapping, a lot of garbage picking for steel, copper, precious metals. It's all there. It's all out there. And I tell you what, recycling prices have gone up, are at a high right now, very, very high. I remember a year ago, prices were 3 cents a pound of steel. Now it's up to 7.5. And I go to the yard and drop this shit off, and I got a full bed pickup. I usually get about $60 to $80 a load, depending on what type of metals I have. I see a lot of people, man, I need a job and this and that. I'm hurting for money, right? But look, yo. Look, this is crazy. I got this stuff in an hour just driving around. And we do have like bulk trash pickup in some cities, but they're making it illegal for us to do this. So like they're fearing, you know what I mean? They're like scaring you. And then I have this shop, 1,600 square foot, that I put all this shit in, and if I can get $40 to $60 to $80 a truckload, and I got 10 truckloads, I'm getting like $600 in a week. I've seen people go in their cars, right? Check it out, yo. I've seen people going in their cars in their little, their little like Toyota. I'm serious, man. And even just a trunk load of metal, you could probably get $10. It's like rolling change if you really think about it. People don't realize that money's being wasted and thrown out. And if we're not cleaning it up, then it's going nowhere. It's wasted. There's a lot of recycling metal centers in your cities. I know there is. It's all over the country because precious metals it's like gold. And it's everywhere. I can take this, flat screen TV, radios, anything, and throw it for money. Basically anything with metal in it. And then you want to get technical, you can start to break down a refrigerator, but keep it on the down low because there are laws about some certain things. But washers and dryers are very easy to take apart. They got motors inside. Those motors, they pay you 15 cents a pound for a motor. You know what I mean? And you get a big fucking bucket of those fucking things. You have some money, man, just by walking around. We have so many, down by this area, there are so many guys, there's so many people walking around with shopping carts. And what they do is, I don't want to say in a poverty neighborhood, I just want to say that it's in a, like a rough neighborhood, you know what I mean? But it's rough. It's not, nothing to go walking around. You can, but it's rough. It's all like industrial way, and it's just rough, but you just gotta know where to go. You know where the danger is. But anyway, these brothers are walking around with shopping carts, loading up with fucking, just garbage, with cans, and they walk the streets. They clean the streets, clean up the metal. On my way here to the shop, I fucking but I counted the pieces of fucking metal that I could have thrown in the truck, just laying on the side of the road. You know, mufflers just laying off to the side. Like, you know, you get somewhere to just stack it, like change. You know, your pocket change, you just sit in your pocket and then you put it in a dresser drawer, or you put it somewhere and you forget about it. This is the same fucking thing, the same thing. Money is out there. It's out there. I mean, it's all over. And, you know, you can go find, anything with metal, motor, lawnmowers, snow blowers, fucking, anything. You could sell anything. Anything with metal, you could take it to a recycling place. They'll buy it. Don't just throw it out. Get you a garbage can in the house, even if you don't do anything. Get you a garbage can in the house or whatever, you know, for the house, and just fill it with metal. Tin cans. We open cans of canned food, or, you know, shit like that. Whatever. For the dogs and the animals, you know, all those tin cans and cans. I could find a garbage bag full of aluminum cans all day long. It's not, you could be out here all day long doing this shit. This part of humanity, this part of cleaning up the neighborhood, clean it up. Figure out ways. There's ways to do it. You don't need a truck like me. You don't need a trailer and all that. But I worked my way up to this point. I did this shit. I got it here as the sun shines. I mean, everything. I got everything. Chairs with metal on it. Everything. These here. Oh, these here. Look. You know the cord. Look. You know the cord that you cut, that you have off of a vacuum cleaner or whatever. Okay, the cord. Cut it from the machine. If you don't want to take the machine, cut the cord. Go collect you a garbage can of these fucking cords. 50 cents a pound. 50 cents a pound. That's pretty fucking good for a cord. It's insulated cord. They buy it. So what I do is I see a vacuum cleaner on the side of the road. If it's not metal, I mean, if it's not worth grabbing, because I know now, like, fuck it, I don't even want it. Like those new age fucking fuck all that. I just cut the cord, because the cord, you can get so many cords. It's everywhere. TVs, cut the back of the cord, cut the cord. It's all there. How to make quick money. That's quick money. You don't even need to fucking online. You don't need to do it, because you just boom, done. Ask and you shall receive. It is out there. That's all I gotta say about how to make quick money for your daily whatever. It's there. And you never know. Count your change. I counted change one time. It was $500 I had laying in the house. We just throw away money, and we always want money, but we don't realize we already have it. So, law, it's a law. It's the law of attraction. It's just energy. Love it. Feel it. Get it. It's out there for you to take. I gotta go because I gotta collect more money, because this week, 1 week, is all bulk pickup in one city. I'm not gonna say where. I'm sure fucking the garbage police are watching me. Like, we know that dude. We fucking see him all the time. I was filling up at a gas station in this place, man, with this trash. I'm like, man, cops gonna come here. What are you doing? But hey, you know what I mean? I'm a worker, so I was cleaning out a house for the bank for my uncle. We were doing a tear out, a clean out his garage. Fuck you. Anyway, I gotta get going to cash in and go get more, because this week I can get up to $1,000 in a week. You can too. It's very simple. It's very easy. There's no thinking method. There's no writing. It's very fucking simple and easy. You don't need a book. You don't need a phone. You just need a fucking way to get your shit and get to the place to cash it in. And it's a motivation. Money, money, money. Those guys that walk around down in the streets with shopping carts and whatnot, they do it for liquor, alcohol, and that's what the life they have. They walk around with shopping carts because they want liquor and cigarettes and chicken bones. You know what I mean? That's what they do. I don't want that kind of lifestyle. I want to have a nice way to get around and just have a comfortable living outside of the matrix, outside of that fucking paradigm, the lock of the third dimension matrix. This is getting out of the matrix, doing your own fucking thing, being self-leader, a wolf, an alpha wolf. I gotta go. I got a lot of money to get. I love you guys. Stay tuned. Go check out all the links below. You can go follow you can go check out you can go probe the Instagram, go probe the Twitter, go probe my other YouTube, my other YouTube channel, the Light Language and the Light Worker channel. I love you guys. I'll see you soon. Be unique. Be the energetic. Be the spirit of money.